Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce some of the newest products on my right hand. This LED advertising the banners and the board. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. The long side lengths, they are almost about like a 47.5 inches long. And the short size, it is about like a 31.5 inches. And for this board thickness, is about like a 1 inches. So basically it is from the plastic covers, you can just simply remove it because they have a clear plastic at the bottoms. We need to cover it and protect it during the shippings. And after receiving those, you can just twist and open the clips on the side. They're looking this way. You can see the LED light strips inner side for all around. And the other side, you can just open it like this way too and change the picture that you need. And this one using the standard 110 plugs, so no special requests on it. You can just simply to do any advertising the pictures to change the banners from this side. And the edge of the units, they are made by aluminum. So these pretty strong holders. You can hear the sound clips. And when you turn around the back of the surface, we can see that they have two small hinges on top of it. Actually, they have screws on it, so you can to change any side, shorter lengths or longer lengths you want to put on theirs, any way you want. And that's what will be all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.